Right. 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 Right, let me end this. Right, is the audio working now? Is the audio working now? I don't know what happened then. I didn't even change anything. I've not changed any settings or anything. I just had to end the stream. I need to fix this thumbnail now. Just hang on. Right, I need to fix the thumbnail. I do apologise about that. I really don't know what happened. That was a first for me. Right, let me just pop in and let me just change this thumbnail of this live. So we're all good on the thumbnail, and then yeah, we'll YouTube Studio. But yeah, I do apologise about that. It was an absolute calamity, wasn't it? Right, let me update this thumbnail, and then we're all good to go again then. And then I'll just have to post a link out again. Right, save. Right, thumbnail's all done anyway, so at least we're back to we're back on track with that. Is that done? Yeah, right, that's all done. Now let me delete the other one from before we go any further. Delete. Yeah, delete. Right. Okay. I really don't know what happened then. Right. Let's see. Right, we've got 9 people in. I was gonna say, oh, not again. Not again. Right, let me just go and post it out on the Stonksy one again. Are you're gonna do yours, Jordan? Yeah, that was weird. I've never had that happen before. I don't know. I don't know what happened. It must have just been StreamYard, because I haven't changed any settings or anything. I just ended the stream and then reloaded it, and then yeah, working. So anyway, we'll be back on track now. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Chaotic start. That's getting tweeted out, and then I can actually put my screen back on now. Right, there we go. Right, that's sorted. Over to the live stream. Right. Let me just put it back in Discord. Everyone. Delete that. Right. Okay. I think we're basically there now, aren't we? We're basically ready. We're basically ready to get going again. Right, let me share my screen. You sound ill. We've got 26 back, to be fair. Right. Everyone do me a favor, go and drop a like on the stream so we can get the algorithm going, so we can try and get some viewers back. Go and drop a like on the stream straight away. Let's see who we've got in. We've got Lee Scully saying, bloody hell, the first time I make this stream through the week, and Dave is acting like it. Honestly, I've got no idea what happened. I've got no idea. But we're all sorted now. We're all set. Nothing like a bit of chaos, is there? Nothing like a bit of chaos. We got Donna saying, woohoo, found you. Yes, thank you very much for joining again. I was stuck on your new stream. This is the new stream. We've got 41 back in. Make sure everyone goes and drops a like on the stream so we can get some viewers back. We've got a fantastic thumbnail today as well. So go and drop a like on the stream so we can get that thumbnail doing something. Hi, Donna. Hello. You sound ill. Yeah. That's nothing new over the past week, is it? We got Itch saying, hi, TMG. Well, hello to TMG from Itch, and hello Itch. Been watching TMG for years, says Donna. We got someone saying Martini guy, let's build buckwheat factory. We've got Noel Wilkinson in. Afternoon, Dave. Good afternoon, Noel. How are you, mate? I haven't seen you in the stream for a while. Sound on. Yes, the top we are on. We're on now. And welcome back. Thank you for rejoining. Get some lem sip. Yeah. Or some like hot lemon juice or something, yeah. You got Crypto Bash again. Yo, yo. How are you doing? I'm okay, mate. I'm superb. Thank you very much. How are you? We got Crypto Bro saying, let's go. We got Steve saying, had a lovely conversation with you on that stream. Weird. I think you was probably talking to yourself, mate, weren't you? Because doesn't seem like anyone could hear me. And we got Jumanji saying yes with a capital yes. And I'll do that as well. Capital yes. So yeah, do make sure you go drop a like on the stream. Steve-O, do you want to be the updater of the likes again? If you would be so kind. Or if anyone could let me know how many likes are on. That would be superb. But yes, as you can see, today I've put a little bit of a different chart on. I've actually got the BLOFIN interface on. Just to show you, we'll have a little look around BLOFIN today. And obviously all the different bits, we'll do it live. There is a video on the YouTube channel, but you know, while we're on a live, I thought we'd have a look through BLOFIN. And if you haven't signed up to BLOFIN yet, the link is in the description. I'll also drop it in the chat right now. Do go and join. You get VIP 1 straight away, which means that you pay lower fees. And why else would you choose BLOFIN? Well, it's non-KYC, so it means you don't have to give them your ID. So there's no driving license, no passport required, nothing. You can use a worldwide VPN to achieve access if you find that you're unable to. And another couple of things, all assets are custodied in Fireblock, so there's no mingling of funds or anything like we've seen in the past with other exchanges. And they don't trade against you, alongside more of this. So you can find all these list of reasons why you should choose BLOFIN on Stonksy.io, which is also the place where you can sign up to a Stonksy plan. So you can obviously choose the monthly plan if you want to, the annual, the lifetime, or this one that's tied into CSE Plus Premium as well. And you can pay for any of these plans with crypto by clicking the hyperlinked email address right below. And obviously on a monthly plan, this is one where you can just come and try it out if you want to. And there's no contract. And it works out cheap, roughly £45 per day. So do come and sign up to Stonksy. And while you're at it, sign up to BLOFIN with the Stonksy link, because there's going to be plenty more coming between Stonksy and BLOFIN. So you want to get positioned nicely to take advantage of when Stonksy and BLOFIN are more integrated together. So yeah, how's everyone doing? ETH chart, please. Yeah, we're going to move over some charts now. Can you add Stonksy into TradingView on BLOFIN? Not yet, but we are going to be integrating with BLOFIN. So that's something else why you should get signed up on the Stonksy link. If you are a Stonksy user, or if you're not, come and join us anyway. You pay lower fees, and who doesn't want lower fees? So yeah, do make sure you come and sign up. But yeah, Stonksy will be integrated into BLOFIN in the very near future. We've got Lee Scully saying LBP had a nice pump, but it only went halfway to where I entered. It's had a small retrace, but still very healthy. Does TMG still own this coin? Link in video description. Yeah, the BLOFIN link is in the video description. And I put it in the chat as well. I'll paste it in again. But yeah, you'll find it in the chat. They have pasted it in twice. It's in the description, and it's on stonksy.io. But I don't know if he still owns LBP. Jordan, do you still own LBP? Launch block. And we got Rupert Loft saying, hi, Dave. Saying I should do MLC last week. You said it looked a bit scammy. House of Crypto Joes. I can have a look at it. Did I say that? I said that. I don't remember saying that. I don't know if I said that. Did I? MLC? I don't remember even looking at it. If I did say it's scammy, then why did I say it was scammy? What was the reason? Do let me know. We're going to have a look at some charts anyway. But I thought I'd pull up the Bitcoin 1 minute chart at first, because it's been absolutely superb. This is like a scalper's dream, this. So has anyone been trading the Bitcoin 1 minute chart with Stonksy? But as you can see, it's pretty much, we've got some obviously nice volatility on Bitcoin, you know, straight into this week. And if you were trading it with Stonksy, as you can see, we've had some lovely moves continuously. This was a superb one to catch here. Then obviously we had the push back up, drop back down, then push back up again. And then obviously we had the bigger one yesterday, where Stonksy caught it perfectly. As you can see, Stonksy got into the red background here, right before the big drop. That absolutely crushed altcoins. And we got, 2.6% drop on Bitcoin within the space of about 15, 20 minutes on the 1 minute chart. It was just superb going. And then obviously Stonksy caught the move back up as well. So did anyone catch this yesterday? Did you catch a dip? TMG owns 5% of launch block. So there you go. Isn't Lady of Crypto a scammer? I have no idea. That's a pretty bold accusation for me to make on stream. So I can't say anything about that. So I'm just going to say I've got no idea. I don't know. I have no idea. Cool. TMG, thanks. It was me that said MLC looks a tad sus. Yeah, so it wasn't me. It was Spud. It wasn't me. It was a Spud. But what was so sus about it? What was so sus? We've got Ionco saying, hey. We needed that small retracement on Bitcoin and ETH. Yeah. It's good. It's good. It flushed out. It flushed out a lot of leverage in the market. I think it got rid of a lot of altcoin open interest as well. So it was a good reset yesterday. We got Spud saying, Lady of Crypto has been receiving backlash over dumping GMRX. So is that why your reasoning, SMFC? Or what's your reason for thinking in it? But yeah, I don't know. We got someone saying it's Spud a scammer. And we got Night Art saying Martini Guy team. Oh, that's it. Stonksy team as well. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining. Do go and drop a like on the stream if you haven't. Let's get them likes up. Let's get the algorithm going because we've got a fantastic thumbnail today. So that should really entice people to join. We've got 55 in, so we should be at least up to 40 likes by now. So yeah, make sure you do drop a like. It'll help us out. See if we can get to 100 people today. Best cryptos to trade every day. Scalping 1 minute to 5 minute, please. Bitcoin, ETH, Solana. And the high-ranked meme coins. So there you go, the top. Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, and then things like WIF, Popcat. Doge is okay, but Doge has been in a good phase of consolidation at the moment. Pepe. Obviously, you want to get the volatility in, don't you? So we got Ionco saying he's short on Bitcoin, ADO, WIF, Render, and FET. Let's go and have a look at WIF because I pulled up WIF because WIF got absolutely crushed yesterday. It was absolutely annihilated. If we go to the 10-minute chart on WIF as well, you will see. Where are we? There we go. Let me zoom out on this. Stonksy caught it superbly, and yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna make a turnaround just yet, does it? Seems to be rolling over again. But Stonksy got short on Sunday, but obviously you had up until Monday to pretty much get in at the same spot. And obviously to the tail end of that wick yesterday, we got minus 31%. So potentially, if you got in, obviously if you got in on Sunday, it was a bit of a long trade, but even if you got in, say around here, you still got 30 to the bottom anyway. Maybe you closed around here, which still would have got you 20, maybe 20+%. But we're still going on Stonksy as well. So potentially, are we going to maybe see it fill in the wick, perhaps? Maybe take out this low, take out that low as well, maybe, and then bounce off this support level that Stonksy's drew here. Take the liquidity below, and then bounce back up. But yeah, WIF's looking like it might drop again to the downside, but it got hit hard yesterday. It got hit really hard, as did a lot of altcoins. Can we look at DOPs? I can do that for you, Spud, of course. I could do that for you. We've got Lee saying Glimmer dumped big time from 42 cents to 26, nearly 50% correction. Yeah. And the thing is, the correction wasn't even that bad on Bitcoin, was it? But you could tell all day that altcoins were weak against Bitcoin. You could see it all day. Like Bitcoin was down like 2% or 2.5%, and then you had altcoins that were down like up to 10. So you could see the weakness all day. But yeah, it was a massive flush. We'll have a look at Dop and Glimmer, and then we'll have a look at yours, Ionco. I'll see what you're having a look at. But do make sure you go and drop a like on the stream and check out the links in the description if you want to come and join us at BLOFIN. You get access to VIP 1 straight away. So you're upped to a higher tier, which means you pay lower fees to the exchange, and it's non-KYC. So when you click the link in the description or in the chat, it's because I'm signed in. All you have to do is put an email in, password, and then you just have to verify the code sent to you in the email, and you're in. So you can click the link, fill out your details, and be in the account within 1 to 2 minutes. And then you can deposit straight away and start trading. And this is obviously the interface that we'll have a look at today. We'll have a little run through it. So yeah, do come and join us, and let me know in the chat if you've joined, or if you've joined Stonksy while I'm on stream. Let's have a look at DOP anyway. Requested by Spud. Anything for Spud, of course. Let's have a look at DOP. Which one should we use? Let's use the KuCoin one. So minus 8% today, and as you can see, Stonksy caught it again on the 10-minute. This got in on Monday, and we're still open now. But from where Stonksy got in, we're down 22%, and we did go down as low as pretty much 30 yesterday. But again, it looks similar to WIF, doesn't it? Where it's had, and you'll see this on a lot of flash crashes, where you get the initial thing, and then it'll just roll over then. But yeah, that's DOP anyway. That's on the 10 minutes. Maybe what's it doing on the 1 hour? It's got nothing on the 1 hour, but Stonksy caught the move up perfectly last week. The pump all the way up last week, superb. From open until close, we got nearly 70%, and then obviously towards the highs, it did go up to 90 to 100%. But yeah, that was superb. Then we caught a little drop here, and then another little drop there, and then yeah, we caught the quick drop yesterday on the 10-minute chart. Maybe we caught it on the 5 as well. Yeah, we did catch it on the 5 right before it happened as well. You can see that right before it happened, straight away, bang, minus 23% in about 25 minutes, something like that. But yeah, that's DOP, still open red. So we'll see what happens today. It looks very similar to WIF though, doesn't it? In the way that WIF, big crash down, bounce up, and then starting to roll over a little bit more now. What do you do if the background is red, but the histogram is dark green? Thing is that the histogram can be dark green because obviously you get these bounces, don't you? You get these short-lived bounces sometimes if something's going to fall further. So if you already entered from higher up, you could just see how it goes, and you could always just set, a take profit or a stop loss into profit. But yeah, I suppose it depends what time frame it is. Stonksy, give us all trade. You talk all positive. Well, of course. Is there any negatives? No, there's no negatives with Stonksy. The only negative would be if you've not bought it now. If you've not already bought it, then obviously you're missing out. So that's obviously the downside to it if you're not already on board. Thanks, says Web3 Spud. No problem at all. And do make sure you go and check out Spud's stream today. What time are you going live, Spud? Let everyone know. But yeah, Spud will be streaming today. Make sure you go and check him out over on the Crypto Saving Expert channel and X account. Check out his live. So we've got Tom Wick on the higher time scales, like hourly plus Stonksy sometimes missed some beautiful shorts. Like most of TRX's downside, it stayed green. On smaller times, it's really good, but sometimes background flashes green/red. Yeah, sometimes it will. But there's no, you got to remember there's no such thing as the perfect entry or exit. It's about catching the move. So if you do go and have a look at TRX and look at that as well on the 10-minute again, 10-minute by Stonksy on Tron. 21% to the bottom. Currently still down 12, and you could have exited around here about 17, 18. But yeah, if we do go and have a, where's it gone? Oh, it's here. So the hourly seems to me like it caught it well. I mean, you can't be really too mad that it didn't get out here, can you? Because you can always make your own decision. You know, you can always have your own thought in the market, and you know, you can always make a manual close. Like for instance, when it come all the way up here and it had this bit of consolidation for 90, 95%, 90%, whatever, you could just decide to manually close that. But it's, you know, you still can't complain with a 58% move in a week if you're going to go from open till close. But maybe just use a bit, yeah. And you've got to remember as well, there's the SR lines on there now to help you. So obviously these have been updated recently. But obviously when the price action was around here, you might have been able to see it break through support so you could close. But I don't think you can be too unhappy with that, personally. You know, you can always close it manually. But even from open till close there, you got 58. And then it opened red. And then down 16. Doesn't seem like a bad... Because that only opened Thursday the 28th. So that's only been open, not even 2 weeks yet. 2 big moves. Does anyone like a Coffee Crypto use the histogram chart part? Don't hear it mentioned how to incorporate that when looking for post trade. So, yeah, so it's momentum. It's momentum that looks at. But we are looking to add something else with momentum as well. But pretty much the only reason I don't really cover it is just because everyone's pretty much interested, aren't they? The main focus is obviously, you know, where you want to catch the trades. I don't have I got, let me see if I've still got it loaded. No, so I'd have to add it on. But yeah, the most obviously imperative part is getting in and out of trades, isn't it? The momentum is specifically good for say like 4-hour time frame, because then you can look to identify like proper bottoms then as well, because you want to see like that exhaustion. We can have a look at it though for sure. I'll load it up for you today, Kaz, while I'm on stream. Back to work for me later, guys. Thank you very much for joining, Lee. We've got Ben saying afternoon. Good afternoon. Do make sure everyone goes and drops a like on the stream. Got 57 in. Superb turnout today. Let's try and get the algorithm in our favour and get it pushing to more people. Would someone be so kind to let me know how many likes you're up to? How many likes are we up to today? We got Tom Wick saying, "Oh hell no, no complaints." But yeah, I noticed it. Like have to use high time frame scales for good. Yeah, and obviously this move occurred before we had the SR, but you got to remember, like now you can obviously have the SR to help you. So for instance, here when this turned red, this red line now would have likely been previously support, I imagine. So it would have been green. Then obviously when it smashed through, it would have flipped red, and then that can be, you know, more confluence for you to keep the trade open, because it would have been green. Obviously, you know, support, you know, a couple taps here. Then obviously it broke through, which would have then switched it to red, which then you could have thought, right, well, it's broke through. I'm going to hold it maybe to some further downside. So yeah, that's how you can obviously now even take your trading to another level with using the SR lines. But yeah, let's have a look at what else did I put in? Solana caught it beautifully on the I think it was on the 50-minute, yeah. Superb. And it's still open as well. Currently looking at a 10% drop on Solana, but we did go as low as just over 13. But yeah, superb drop caught on Solana. And then Notcoin as well. 15-minute. Superb trade. Catching all this move to the downside. And on the 1 hour as well. This on the 1 hour was, you can just see how fierce the drop was when you look at the 1 hour. Real nasty drop, wasn't it? But yeah, overall, Stonks have been superb. The Solana chart, the WIF chart, and the NOT chart were all put in this week's CSE newsletter. But we'll cover some others now. But do make sure you go and click the link in the description to sign up to BLOFIN. Come and join us over on the Stonksy link. It means that you get VIP 1 straight away, meaning you pay lower exchange fees. So you get to keep more of them Stonksy profits. And it's non-KYC. So you don't have to give them an ID, and you can use a VPN to get on anywhere around the world. And obviously there is a mobile app too. Yeah, do come and join us. And if you already signed up to BLOFIN and not on Stonksy, then you're missing out as well. Because there's going to be plenty of integration between Stonksy and BLOFIN. And yeah, the partnership is only going to build on from here. So do get yourself positioned, ready to take advantage of that. And come and try, there's never a better time. We're approaching the end of Q4, going into Q1. So there's never been a better time to up your trading, give yourself more tools for success, and take advantage of the market that we're in at the moment. Because eventually the music will stop, and you'll be wishing that you took more advantage of this market. So do come and join us over at BLOFIN, and come and join Stonksy as well. Hi from Chile Cornwall. Is it still blowy down there, Mike? Have you got your roof fixed yet? Have you managed to get your roof put back on? We've got SMFC saying, have you used a replay trading panel to test the SR lines? I've not actually used it to test the SR lines, but I have used it to test the background color. Yeah. However, we could have a look at something like that. That would be great. We've got Mike saying, Dave, I'm going to drop a big Mike in the chat now. How you doing, mate? Thank you very much for joining again. It's great to see you. Mike, all the way from Alabama. My friend from across the pond. Best time frame to get enough trade during US session and more than 100 pips. I would say you'd want to go low time frame, so the 1 minute or the 3 minute. If you're just looking to trade the US session, potentially maybe something like the 5 or 10 minute. But I don't know. Obviously, if you're only looking to trade that and not continue it afterwards, you want to go low time frame, don't you? You've got Ionco still out in Cambodia. Are you staying there for a while, Ionco, or are you moving on to somewhere else soon? We've got Mike update on his roof. All waterproof, waiting for insurance. Oh, good. Well, at least you've not got water coming through your house. Doing great, boss man. Superb, Mike. Love to hear it. How does the adder chart look to you? Let's have a look. Let's go and have a look at the adder chart. Oh, real nice. Again, as you can see, Stonksy caught it all. Across the market, Stonksy caught all the downtrend yesterday. On the 1 hour as well. But are you asking just how it looks in general? Let's see. I would say it doesn't actually look too bad. I would say this zone where Stonksy's outlined, so you can see it's got one support level here, one here. If you was to even draw that like as a box, yeah, you would say obviously it wants to hold here. I think you'd be looking for it to come down towards about there if it was to drop below there. So you'd be looking, you want to hold the 80, 88, 87-ish to 91 zone where Stonksy's got these two support lines drawn. And then if not, you'd probably be looking for a bounce from here. Is my personal opinion anyway. How do you think it looks? Let me know what you're thinking. Maybe we come and retest this point as well. This is obviously the first one of two on the 1 hour. So it looks to be lining up. It looks to be lining up. Right. What are we on to next? So we've got Ionco going Thailand after Christmas. Superb, mate. That'll be nice. My Ada short is printing. That's good, mate. That's good. Ionco's been been absolutely smashing the trade with Stonksy. We've got Traveling Studio said, hi, I signed up to CSE as a Community Plus member, but having trouble getting in onto the Discord chat. I'm assuming this. Yeah, so what you need to do is you need to make sure that on your CSE account on the website, so the account you created on the CSE website, you need to make sure that the Discord name that you've inputted in the settings on there is your actual Discord name, because that's what links to the bot. So if you haven't put your Discord name or you've put the wrong one on your CSE account on the website, then you won't be able to get in, because it extracts the data to then make sure that it's only members that are in the Discord. So do go and make sure you go and check that out. Just make sure it's all right. Or if you've not inputted it at all, that'll be why. We got Justin in the chat saying, Dave, hello, mate. How you doing? Thank you very much for joining the stream again. It's great to see you. We've got CX saying Jasmine. Can I have a look at Jasmine? Of course. Yeah, that's 100% correct. It's probably best to drop an email in then. What would it be? SMFC, you still in the chat? Would you be able to drop an email in the chat for Traveling Studios to email in if they're having trouble with getting in? Yeah, just drop the best email in for Traveling Studios to contact. He's saying that he can't get in the Discord, but that his Discord name is 100% correct on his actual CSE account on the website. So he's saying he signed up to CSE Community Plus monthly, or I don't know, whatever, anyway, to be a member. But when he joins the Discord, it keeps kicking him. But he said that his Discord name on his CSE account on the website is the same as the Discord he's trying to get in with. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But let's have a look at Jasmine. Someone asked for Jasmine then. Jasmine. Again, oh yeah, lovely by Stonksy on the 15-minute. Friday caught the move all the way down into Sunday, and then Monday, obviously, all the drop down yesterday. Closed at a real nice point as well. As you can see, it closed all the way up here, so that closed for just under 90%, and then obviously avoided the drop down as well. Jasmine's looking great in terms of Stonksy performance. Superb catch on the 1 hour chart all the way up, and then traded it back down on the lower time frames. 10-minute, 15-minute. Really good. Hello to you, Arpan. How are you doing? Not seen you in the stream before. Welcome. Thank you very much for joining. Make sure everyone goes and drops a like on the stream. It will help us reach more people and get more people coming to the stream. And do make sure that if you've not already signed up to BLOFIN, I'll drop the link in the chat again. It is in the description. And when you sign up with the Stonksy link, you get access to VIP1 straight away, meaning you pay low exchange fees, and it's non-KYC. So there's no ID sign up. And you use it worldwide. You can use the app, and all funds are safe because there's custodied and fire blocks. So you can sleep tight at night. You can sleep well. You don't have to be worrying about, funds on an exchange. It's all safe at BLOFIN. And there's loads of other reasons that you can see at stonksy.io, and is also the place where you can sign up for a Stonksy plan. Do come and join us. If you've been umming and ahhing, maybe you're on the fence, just come and try the monthly one. Come and sign up for the monthly. You're not tied into any contract, and it's obviously very cheap, £45 per day. So do come and join us over there. But yeah, Jasmine looks great in terms of Stonksy indications. Yeah, this is my first time. Well, thank you very much. Do consider subscribing. Do consider dropping a like. And if you want to come and trade with us over at BLOFIN, RPAN, use the link in the description or the one I've just popped in the chat just above your message there. And you'll get access to VIP1 straight away, so you pay lower exchange fees. And it's non-KYC, so there's no ID sign-up. Paul Aqua says, can I have a look at Paul for you? Of course I can do that. Let's see. So we didn't catch it on the 10-minute. Caught it on the 15-minute, lovely. And we caught it on the 1 hour, lovely. And again, as you can see, Stonksy caught the move all the way up, closed on Friday. Then we had a bit of chop and then caught the drop all the way down. Superb movement by Stonksy. Sorry, I already have a BLOFIN account. Well, you can create another one. There's nothing wrong with you creating another one. You're more than fine to do that. All you obviously have to do is use a different email. But thank you very much for subscribing and liking anyway. Much appreciated. It's great to have you over. But you could use a new email to sign up to the Stonksy BLOFIN link, and then you can take advantage of the VIP one then. If you would want to move some funds across, obviously, to a second account. But either way, I hope you come and join us at Stonksy too. Do consider come and join us at Stonksy RPAN. Watch the stream, you know, you will like what you see. And yeah, come and join us, whether it's on the monthly, annual, or lifetime. Obviously, this one would be a superb one for you to come and try it out for a month. Yeah, checking now. Superb, superb. Right, well, does everyone want to drop some more tickets in the chat? Drop some tickets in the chat and I'll get to it. Let's just have a little quick look around BLOFIN. So obviously, as you can see when you sign up, it's where whales are made is the motto. It's where whales are made. So why would you not want to be a whale? You can buy crypto on here. So if you want to buy crypto directly on the exchange, you can. They use Alchemy and Simplex. Obviously, you can buy spot. They have over, I think it's 130 spot pairs. Over 130 pairs. So if you want to buy and sell any spot or hold any spot on an exchange, you know, when you're getting ready to sell, or maybe you want to hold stable coins on an exchange and getting ready to buy, do come and buy your spot on BLOFIN. And obviously your futures trading, they've got over 400 pairs on futures. As you can see, there's a massive choice of assets to trade. And the interface itself is superb as well. Very slick, very clean. So easy to use as well. So easy to use. And yeah, all this is done with a non-KYC account, so you don't have to give them your ID or nothing. You can come and trade futures, spot, whatever you want. All without having to provide your passport or your driving license. Mode. Let's look at mode then for SMFC. Let's look at mode. Mode. So we've got nothing open on the 1 hour at the moment, but we did catch the move up nicely into the start of December. This was into last week. Caught just over 3x. Looks like around 300, yeah, around 300%, maybe just over. And then obviously we did catch the second leg on the 1 hour. Are we open on the 2 hour? Not open on the 2. Let's scale down and have a look. Caught a nice drop on the 30-minute. That was yesterday, Sunday, into obviously yesterday and today. On the 15-minute, caught it nice as well. Caught a drop lovely. As we did with everything else. You see the power of Stonksy? You know, it's right in front of your eyes, this. Caught a drop on Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, WIF, NOT, DOP, ADA, Jasmine, Paul, everything. This is obviously only just what we've covered. 10-minute chart, caught it again. But yeah, mode. Superb performance on Stonksy with mode. Glimmer, I could check Glimmer. Yeah, someone mentioned Glimmer before. I was meant to check it. Let's see. It had a massive drop yesterday, someone said. Yeah, massive drop. Still down 17%, but went down as 25. 15-minute caught it as well. Very nicely. And the 1 hour caught it too. And as you can see, we caught all the move up as well on Glimmer. You know, first move, second move, third move, and then catching the trade down as well. So it doesn't really get much better than that, does it? It doesn't get much better than that. XLM would be interesting to look at. We could go and look at XLM for sure. Do go drop a like on the chat, on the stream, sorry, if you haven't. And I do apologise about my croaky voice. Hopefully this will be gone soon. XLM caught the drop nicely yesterday again. You see, Stonksy caught the whole, you know, across the whole market yesterday. It caught it all. Caught it on the 30-minute. Didn't catch it on the 15. I did catch it on the 10, but at high time frames it did. Caught a nice little drop on the 5-minute there as well. But in terms of the overall outlook on XLM, let's see where it is. It's interesting because obviously it come down. It created this support level, obviously, because we had it as resistance here. And then obviously we got the tap bang on the money, like literally bang on the nose. So it'd be interesting to see. Let's have a look, actually. If it created it or tapped it. Yeah, so it created it yesterday. It created this support level when it tapped, obviously, up on here. But yeah, we might come and maybe we come and test lower. Thing is, it's ran on it. It's had a massive run, so it probably is due a cool off. And the problem is with it is that there's not real much. It's not really left much behind in terms of, you know, consolidation or anything. Kind of similar to XRP, but obviously we have got this here now. But potentially, maybe, you know, we come into here perhaps. On obviously a further drop down. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, XLM, it's had a superb run, obviously in November. What's your overall outlook for the next 2 weeks? What would be my overall outlook for the next 2 weeks? Probably, in all honesty, probably just choppy. I think maybe a move up to 110. I don't really see much downside past 90k-ish. You know, maybe if we do get a real deep flush, maybe high 80s. But I think towards the upside, you know, 110. But it wouldn't surprise me if it just chopped until the end of the year now. Stonksy is a money printer. Yes, it is. Listen to Ionco. Make sure you listen to Ionco. Hello, can you have a look at FET? I could do that for you, Blitz. How does the alert work on Stonksy? So you choose an asset and a time frame. So say this is XLM. On the 1 hour, you'd go to alert. You'd go condition Stonksy. You'd then choose the condition that you wanted. So obviously we're currently in a red background. So maybe if you wanted to know when just the red background closed or if it went from red to green, you could choose that. But if you just wanted to know when this red background changed to anything, so red to no color or red to green, you'd do background changed. You'd do once per bar close or only once. So if it was only once, it would just tell you when it happens that one time. If it was once per bar close, you'd get an alert for every time that the background changed. So whether, you know, it changed from no indication to green or whatever, this would obviously, because the condition is background change. You'd get an alert for every time the background changed on the 1 hour. And then you'd create it. And then it would go into your alerts here. And then, yeah, it's active. And then that would be active until you binned it then. And that's how they work. And then, yeah, you get a notification through on your phone, obviously a pop-up, all that good stuff. Let's have a look at... Oh, TET, not FET. I don't know why I just read that straight away. It's FET. Let's have a look at TET. Is this it? TET? Or did you mean FET? Which, what did you mean, Blitz? TET or FET? I don't know why. I just read it as FET. Maybe you do mean this. Let's go and have a look. Again, caught the move all the way up on Stonksy superbly. But it's come into a good point on the 1 hour anyway. It's come into a good point. Obviously, retesting this has created nice support on Stonksy here. Obviously, if we drop down further, we've got a nice place where we can look for a bounce from here. We caught some of the move down as well. Well, all the move down yesterday anyway on Stonksy on the 30-minute. Capturing all that drop. On the 15-minute, we caught it nicely as well. So yeah, superb price action on TET when Stonksy's concerned. Yes, we got Ionco saying, boom, new daily P&L record for me with Stonksy. Crazy. Well done, Ionco. Ionco is absolutely killing it. Absolutely killing it. Well done. That's great to know. Ionco, what time frame do you use? TET, yeah. So that was TET. That was TET for you. I think TMG's just gone live, Annie, as well. Or is it a video? Maybe it's a video. I've just got the alert. But yeah, what other tickers should we check out? Since when Stonksy had support and resistant was doing an update? Yeah, it got put everywhere, Blitz. It got put everywhere. It was put in the Discord loads of times, tagging it at everyone. We've put a video on YouTube about it. Here, SR levels on Stonksy 3 days ago. It's since Friday, come out on Friday. But yeah, we put it in the Discord. Obviously, released a video here. I covered it on stream on Saturday and yesterday, and it's been tweeted out as well. So it has been put pretty much everywhere. All you have to do is you just go on your indicator, and then click the 3 dots, and then you'll have an option here where it says update script, and then you update it, and then you'll have automated SR lines. But make sure you do go and watch the video for a full walkthrough. But it's only since Friday, so it's not like you've missed out. It's only been 5 days. Entering 3-minute time frame. Ionco, you're on fire, mate. You're on fire. You can't be stopped, can you? You're a money printing machine. But obviously, the brains is Stonksy. You and Stonksy together. We've got Lio. Said, hi, Dave. You can put the readout of my ticker from yesterday, lol. That got the blood pumping. What's that? What's that, Lio? Let me know. I can't think. You can put the readout of my ticker from yesterday. That got the blood pumping. What do you mean? The readout of my ticker? I can't think. But make sure everyone goes and drops a like on the stream if you haven't already. Do go and drop a like on the stream. And do make sure you check the links in the description to sign up to BLOFIN. You get automatically VIP 1 when you sign up with the Stonksy link. Obviously, check out the Stonksy website for a Stonksy plan and sign up to be a Stonksy affiliate as well on Trap Desk. You get a nice 10% kickback on any plans that you sell via your link. What else should we look at? Oh, yeah, it was. It was crazy, and we've covered it as well. We've covered it. You know, like with yeah, it was mad. Some of these down. I remember I was looking at I was looking at WIF at one point, and I just happened to look on my trading view, you know, when everything crashed. And it's seen minus 30%. And I was like, whoa, like that is, you know, that's an absolute whipping, isn't it, for altcoins? They've got absolutely bashed. But then I checked again like 10 minutes later and it had already gone back up 10%. So if I'd have just tried to long it at that point, I'd have got myself some real quick gains. Haha, true. Just taking profits at the moment. Yeah, Ionco, you're a profit printing machine, mate. Well done. Justin saying, is there a ticker named Dave? No, but maybe we should create one. Maybe we should create one. Like, I don't know. I don't know what we'd have on it, but we got Lio saying Dave meme coin. You've started something now, Justin. You've opened Pandora's box here for a Dave meme coin. Can you imagine it? Can you imagine it? It'd be very funny. Dave, this is happening today. Oh, make sure you drop me some supply then. Make sure you drop me some supply. But yeah, let's see what else. Obviously, I've got CSE loaded up here because we can have a little flick through. Thought it'd be good to just see, obviously, what's gaining. It's got CVX, Curve. Curve's one that a lot of people mention in the chat sometimes. Let's go and have a look at Curve. Curve Finance. Obviously, we got all the drop yesterday, which was superb. Mega drop yesterday on Curve, wasn't it? Look at that. All the way down to 88 at one point. Wow. Yeah, 28, 23. 23%. See, 15 minutes. Trying to catch the pump back up on the 15 minutes. Obviously, we opened and got the pump straight away, which was good. But obviously, it looks like it's going to try and get back up there. The 30-minute caught it beautifully as well. See what we're looking at. The 1 hour, nothing on the 1 hour. Yeah, Curve up. Well, it says it's up 9% on TradingView. Thinking of the narrative this afternoon. We've got Dave B saying, I support this idea. All Daves around the world, isn't it? It's like a congregation of all Daves around the world. Dave on Sol. That would be quite funny. That would be quite funny. We got just to say that I have a huge bag of Kevin. You remember I called this in CSE a couple of months ago. Entry at 22 cents. Just saying, yes, mate, yes. So you're rocking, obviously, up to now, around about a 5x. But I'm guessing with how high it's been recently, maybe up to a 6. Turn Chippy into a layer 1 and Dave can be its first layer 2. Yeah. There's plenty of opportunity, isn't there? I'm just going to be turning my heating on. It's a little bit chilly. It's a little bit chilly. We need to get the heating going. We're in the dark winter months. And does anyone else find it crazy that it's Christmas 2 weeks tomorrow? Does anyone find that crazy? Perps and Spot. Oh, you got it on both. Oh, superb. Well, you killed that, mate. Well done. Well done. That's a brilliant trade across both. I bet you got some monster profit from that too. You must have got some monster profit. What are you getting off, Santa? Get rid of this cold, hopefully. Get rid of this cold. That's all I want for Christmas. Oh, I'll be getting coal. I'll be getting coal and an orange in my stocking. Block of coal and some orange. So Lemsif, yeah. Yeah, just a massive stack of Beechams and Lemsip or whatever. Let's have a look anyway. What else we can look at? There's not too many gainers today, is there? Obviously, Arve's had a good week, 14%. Let's have a look at losers. Obviously, not. We've covered IOTA. IOTA was one of the ones that had the big push up yesterday. So let's see what it's been doing. Oh, yeah, nicely caught on the 10-minute again by Stonksy. And obviously, we had a slight drop here. Then we had a short-lived green one, which closed in a slight loss, but then caught it superbly. Just under 20% currently from open to where it's at now. Caught it even bigger on the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, we're up to 25% at the moment. And obviously, you cannot forget that Stonksy caught all the move up as well, which has been some real nice patterns in it. We caught all the move up there. Then obviously, we got the first drop down. Then we had the push back up here, and then catching the complete reversal basically now from where it started. Superb. Really, really good from Stonksy, that. You cannot complain, can you? You couldn't ask for better price action. I find it even more crazy that even though Christmas in 2 weeks is more shocking, that Dave isn't a thing until now. That's it, Dave on Sol. Someone get it going and drop me a nice bag of it. I'm more than happy to support. Dave on Sol. All I've asked for Christmas is Dave. Mate, can you imagine your face if you came down in the morning and I'm just sat there under your tree, wrapped up with a nice bow around me? Can you imagine? That'd be hilarious. Algo says, Arpan, I can have a look at Algo for you. Fill a Sports Direct mug with Lemsip. Never get caught a cold again. Crazy. Xmas 30 degrees C. Yeah, because you're in Cambodia, mate. I'm in the UK. I'm freezing. Tia. Justin says, I'm on it, Dave. Oh, mate. That would be dead funny. It would be really funny. Algo and Tia. Let's have a look at Algo and Tia. So let's have a look at Algo and then let's pull up Tia. Caught it superbly on the 10-minute. Currently down 18%, but we did go down as low as, look at that, 30% there. So, maybe you would have manually closed there yourself, but it's still around them levels anyway. Nothing on the 1 hour, but we did obviously catch the move up fantastically into last week. I caught the drop down nicely as well. Obviously, the reversal from the pump up. So we had the pump up all last week. Then we caught the drop down there, and then we've caught the second drop down here. So really good indication on Algo there. Superb. That would be it. Christmas will be complete forever. That'd be so funny. That'd be so funny. I don't know what colour wrapping paper or bow I'd have on myself. I suppose it's got to be like red or something, hasn't it? Move over, mate, says Ionco. Got Tia, 30-minute, caught all the drop again. So anyone who's not signed up to Stonksy, I think I've probably given you more than enough examples of why you should go and get Stonksy. You've had more than enough with all this that we've shown. You've had more than enough reason why to go and get Stonksy. 15-minute, absolutely killed it again. 10-minute, smashed it again. Superb. Just rinse and repeat, isn't it? Just rinse and repeat. Caught all the drop down. Caught all the drop down. Dave is underway. Oh, legendary. Absolutely legendary. Green, of course. Yeah, I suppose. Maybe green wrapping paper with Stonksy's face on it or something. Maybe we do that. But yeah, let me know. If you're not signed up to Stonksy, let me know in the chat. I want to know who's not signed up to Stonksy and who's not signed up to BLOFIN. Let me know in the chat if you're not signed up to either. But do come and join us at Stonksy. The link to both is in the description for BLOFIN and Stonksy. Obviously, you can sign up with any of these plans. This one, come and try it for a month. Come and try it for just £145 a month. Come and give it a go. A whole month's access. And you can obviously pay for any of these in crypto as well by clicking the hyperlinked email address and filling out the pre-made response for you. And do come and sign up to BLOFIN. The link again is in the description of the stream, but I will drop this one in the chat as well. You get instant access to VIP one, and it's obviously non-KYC. You can use it anywhere in the world with a VPN if you're finding it finding it maybe a bit troublesome. Obviously, you can just pop yourself somewhere else. But yeah, keep more of your profits, pay less fees, keep more of your profits. It's a no-brainer. And obviously, if you are a Stonksy user, you want to be signed up onto this because there's going to be an integration coming between BLOFIN and Stonksy, where you'll be able to actually utilize Stonksy on BLOFIN. So do make sure you come and do that. Yeah, but we've been going an hour so far. Obviously, we had the little hiccup on the first stream, but we've been going an hour so far, which is good. What do you think about Solana? I think it's due to get some strength back again soon, is what I would say. So I think it's due like a proper breakout at some point soon, I would imagine. Obviously, it's had a tail off, as you can see here on the 10-minute. But in terms of like breaching its all-time high, it had a little tip over, didn't it? It had a little tip over and then tipped back below. So I would expect it to make its way back towards the highs and actually have like a proper breakout. But in terms of right now, it's interesting, isn't it? Because like everything's pretty much at the mercy of Bitcoin. You know, if we get another drop on Bitcoin today, alts are just going to get crushed again. So everything's at the mercy of Bitcoin. So we want to see Bitcoin strength today. When even that drop wasn't even that bad yesterday, was it? It wasn't even that bad. It was literally from where the candle opened. It was only a 2% drop. Yeah, alts got absolutely crushed. But yeah, we want to see Bitcoin strength. But yeah, I think it's due. It's due a proper breakout. Signed up to BLOFIN a few days ago. Yes, no. Great to have you over, mate. It's great to have you over, and I hope you're well. I hope you're well. I haven't spoke to you in a while. We've got Justin saying Dave season. Oh, it's Dave season every day, mate. Every day it's Dave season. XRP and Doge can buy now. I mean, I can't tell you exactly what to do because I'm not a financial advisor. But, I mean, take a look at them. Take a look at them. Do you think a liquidity price of 150 in SOL is okay? What do you mean? What do you mean a liquidity? Oh, a liquidation. Oh, so if it goes to $150, you'd be liquidated. I mean, that would take some drop. Like it would take. What would it take from here? It would take around about a 30% drop. So obviously, it would require Bitcoin to, you know, obviously have quite the pullback itself. But as long as you're comfortable with it, that's all that matters, mate. As long as if you get liquidated, it's not just going to ruin your life or ruin your portfolio, then, you know, obviously you can rock with it if you want to. Risk management is what it's all about. XRP and Doge combined now. Let's have a look at one of these. Let's have a look at one of these. Obviously, we had the retrade. It just caught everything, didn't it? It just caught everything. Caught it nicely on the 1 hour as well. I don't know. The problem with this is, how high do you expect it to go? Do you know what I mean? How high do you expect XRP to go? It's already had a better run than most altcoins have had. You know, it's literally, it basically 5x'd in price pretty much. Got close to it. It got close to 5x in price in the span of a month. And how high do you expect it to go from here without it having a cool off? Like, I know we discussed this region last week, which we got close to tested yesterday. But, like, where are you expecting it to go so long from here? That's the thing. But, you know, as long as, you know, you can always have a stab at it. Like I say, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. You can always have a go. Let's have a look at Doge. Caught it nicely on Doge as well from all the way up here on the 1 hour, following a nice pump up. 15-minute caught the drop lovely. Didn't get it on the 10-minute. Didn't get it on the 30-minute, but we did get it on the 1 hour and 15-minute. But yeah, superb. Ionco says, we don't care, Bitcoin up or down, we are catching every movement. Well, that's it. That's it. And that's the good thing about Stonksy is, you know, you don't have to be just in an uptrend or a downtrend. You can obviously just trade it both. I would trade it both. Let me know what you're trading. I know we've had some people saying what they're trading, but what open positions have you got now? What open positions have you got? Should we do something funny? Should we go on demo trading and let's just put a position on? So what have I got in this demo account? 1.5 Bitcoin. No, that's because of that. What's the available margin in here? Oh, there we go. Bloody hell, it was right in front of me, weren't it? I don't know why I was focused on looking at them. 50k USDT. Let's go and have a look at. Let's go and have a look at this. See, this would have been good. This would have been good to catch this one, wouldn't it? It would have been good to catch this one. Let's go and see. Let's put a Stonksy alert on. Background changed. Let's get it. Let's wait and see. Moodeng, if it's on there, yeah, I can get Moodeng up. There's a funny story about Moodeng. I was waiting for it. It's actually me and Justin. Actually, we were waiting for it to come all the way down. I'll show you where we was waiting for it. No, it's not on this. It was on. Oh, sorry, it was on Deck Screener. Won't show it on this, but it literally come in with within a couple of percent of coming into the zone I was looking at, and then it obviously just had like the 10x, 20x pump, whatever it did. Insane. We caught a drop down nicely. Obviously, we had a small loss in this red, in this green, but then we more than made up for it. Just flip it into the red. And this is obviously a good example of, you know, a trade is losing, and instead of Stonksy obviously remaining open, it flips red. Obviously takes the loss on the chin, but then catches an even bigger drop to the downside and covers itself. Because obviously, if this would have stayed open in green, it would have been a lot worse. So it's all about risk management, and Stonksy helps you with that. Moodeng. Caught it nicely on another one on a 10-minute as well. But yeah, overall, really good. How many tickers do you want? There's loads of trades. Fire a handful through, Justin. Maybe ones I've not covered yet. Do paper trading and trading view. Can I have a look at doing just using this demo account? May as well. Or you could just go and blow it up if you want. You could just go and blow up this this demo account. Go and put 100x isolated on. Does everyone think what does everyone think about this low holding? Does everyone think this low is going to hold, or do we think we're going to drop back to the downside? What do you think? I wonder why Moodeng ripped a few days ago. What most recently? It got listed on Binance, didn't it? I think that's what made it go. I'm not sure. Got Donna saying night, everyone. Thanks, Dave. Feel better soon. Thank you, Donna. Thank you very much for joining. Appreciate you. Catch you on tomorrow's stream. We've got just to say people bake auction. Dave just launches 100 million market cap. Well, cash my portion out then. Catch my portion out. I'll do with that. That'll be good. Paper trading is demo accounting trading view. Is it? I've never actually seen that. I'll have to have a look into that. Dave's dropping you 50% of the supply. We're looking at 500 million market cap. Oh, it'd be a silly amount of money, that, wouldn't it? It'd be a silly amount of money. Right. What was we doing then? Right, let's have a look at some of your ones, Justin. So you had auction. You had bake and people. Let's have a look. So we didn't catch a drop down yesterday on it. However, as you can see, caught it beautifully in 3 stages. One stage, another stage up, and then obviously the final rip up. So that was good by Stonksy. And then obviously we've got these support levels lower for if we do drop down. Caught it nice on the 30-minute. Caught the drop down perfectly on the 30-minute. So what are you doing, Justin, on these? Are you long or short on all these 3? What are you what way are you trading it? Not thinking, mate. Just following Stonksy. Simple. That well, yeah, and it works, doesn't it? Ionco, so carry on doing what you're doing, mate. I will sign up to Stonksy. Is TMG does a video on? No, definitely not. That's not a good trade. That's not a good trade. Maybe we'll drop at American Open and finish higher than where it's opened at. Yeah, potentially. Not shorting a bull market if that helps. Well, yeah. I didn't know if you meant maybe you'd caught this drop down yesterday though, and maybe he was holding them to see what happened today. But yeah, not shorting in a bull market is obviously good advice. But I wasn't sure maybe if you'd shorted them and caught this drop. Can we do a demo trade using Stonksy? Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Oh, I've missed it. I've missed it. Damn it. Missed it. What would be quite funny actually is if let's get a resounding yes or no in the chat then. Right, let's get a resounding yes or no if we think this low holds. So this low created yesterday. Let's get a resounding yes or no. What I'll do, I'll just put all this. This is obviously a demo account, so it doesn't matter at all. But I'll just go and max longer with the liquidation point below this. And we'll come back to it tomorrow and see, obviously, if it's still open and where it's at. But let's get a resounding yes or no. Do we think we drop below? No, keeping it. So 100x shorts, no stop loss. Yeah. So Frightful Soul. That was you, wasn't it? You just changed your username, haven't you? Yeah. So Justin thinks the low holds. Because what we're gonna, what I will do one time this week is we'll do a mega long stream. We'll do a mega long stream, like a 3 to 4 hour one, like TMG does, and we'll do a series of trading with Stonksy on the stream. But let's go and put this on. Let's see. So what would the liquidation point be if we just put this on? The lick price is 92. So basically 93k. Oh, that's good enough for me. Let's up that to like 22x then. 93,500. Yeah, perfect. Let's go and do it. There we go. So yeah, we got that on. And we'll come back to that tomorrow and see what's happened. I'll get liquidated around 93,500. Retest 100k at least. When the long stream is on. Yeah, defo, mate, yeah. Of course, yeah, I'll do it. Do like a 3 or 4 hour one or something, and we'll just sit here and chill, put some music on in the background and stuff. We should probably get the music on anyway in the background, that little nice tune that we had on yesterday. Where is it? Here. Lower it. There we go. Nice and chilled. Nice and chilled. But yeah, we'll do a long one this week. You see who wins, mate. You'll win. You will win. You know, I was actually just doing a bit of dancing then as well. I was actually just doing a bit of dancing. But yeah, we'll come back and see what this trade's doing tomorrow, and then I'll load some actual money onto this account that I created for streaming, and we'll actually put some live trades on, like proper trades, not on a demo account, and we'll do it this week. We'll follow like the 1 minute chart or something. It'll be a lot of fun, that. Yeah, auction. So we didn't actually have a look at bait, did we? Stonksy caught it nice on bake on the 1 hour as well yesterday, after catching all the move up. Didn't get it on the 15. Did we get it on the 10? Got it on the 10. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Nothing better than watching Dave dance. So that's it. Maybe Dave on Sol can be like a dancing character. Dave on Sol could be a dancing character. What dreams are made of. You're too kind, mate. You're too kind to me. But do make sure you go and drop a like on the stream if you're not. We've still got 32 people in here, which is fantastic. Thank you to everyone who stuck around. And do go and check all the links in the description. Sign up to BLOFIN. You get VIP 1 automatically when you register an account with the Stonksy link. And do come and join Stonksy as well. It'd be great to have you over. There is our narrative. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. That'd be epic, wouldn't it? It'd be epic. Dancing Dave. Maybe call it Dancing Dave instead. Dancing Dave would be funny. But yeah, Let's see. We're getting a little push. Oh, I'm 1,700 in profit already. 1,800. Good go. So we'll come back to this tomorrow, and we'll see obviously what it's done on the demo account. Liquidation or glory. It'll be one of the two. It'll be one of the two for sure. DDoS. Dancing Dave on Sol. Yeah. Can you imagine? Can you imagine it? Dancing Dave on Sol. Everyone will be loving that. Everyone will be loving it. So yeah, do make sure as well, if you've not checked out the YouTube channel yet, come and watch these videos that we've put up recently. Obviously, this is a Save with Crypto video about making money with Stonksy during low volatility days. Then obviously this explains the SR lines that we just recently released, how to use BLOFIN, a BLOFIN tutorial, and then yeah, other ones that we've uploaded recently as well. Do come and give it a go. I wonder how many viewers we've had today, and something else that we've been getting is a lot of viewers. Obviously, yesterday's stream done great, 759 views. Then 447 on the weekend on Saturday. That's not bad at all. Then 775 on Friday. 391. 448. 674 and 611. Yeah, it's good. Good views across the channel. Really good. Started using BLOFIN and Stonksy yesterday just before dump. It wasn't the good experience. The pain of loss is real. Why? What was you doing? What was you doing? Oh, lesson learned to put a stop loss in place. Yeah. Yeah, you should always have your risk managed, doer. You should always have your risk managed. Make sure your stop is always in. And make sure that, you know, it's at a place where you're fine with the loss if it comes. It shouldn't cripple your account. You got Mitts in the chat. Hello, Mitts. Welcome again, mate. You don't sound too good. Hopefully you get better soon. Yeah, hopefully. Still got this little cold that I've got, but I think it should be gone in the next day or two, because I'm fasting to just clean my body out. So yeah, hoping in the next day or two it will have just cleaned my body out itself, which would be good, of course, because I can't wait to get rid of it. It's really annoying. But yeah, anyway, you'll be fine. Just pick yourself back up, dust yourself off, go back with, you know, thing is, when you have days like that, you, like you said, you know, lesson learned. If you do suffer a loss, just make sure you take a lesson from it, because then at least it's worth something, and it's not just like, you know, lost money. Like, if you can take a lesson out of it, then that'll obviously help you in the future, which then, you know, eventually they pay for themselves. But yeah, get back to it, you know, lesson learned, and you'll more than make up for it. You'll more than make up for it, so don't worry yourself. Yeah, I've been going an hour and 23 minutes so far. Do get any tickers or questions you've got in the chat. You know, questions around Stonksy, questions around the market, or, you know, if you want me to have a look at a ticker, drop it in the chat. Otherwise, we'll just go to the usual 1 hour, 30 minutes and then call it a day. But yeah, do make sure you sign up to BLOFIN. Links in the description. Non-KYC exchange. You can use it anywhere in the world with a VPN. And when you do sign up with the Stonksy, you get VIP 1. So you pay lower exchange fees. And do come and sign up to Stonksy as well. If you're on the fence, or maybe you're looking at it thinking, oh, this looks good, I'll give it a try. Just come and try the monthly, £145. You're not tied into a contract, so you can cancel anytime. Roughly £45 per day. And if you do want to pay for Stonksy in crypto, you just click the hyperlinked email address, which will take you to a pre-written email. You just amend it for the plan and payment method you want, and then you're all good to go, all sorted. But yeah, we have a very good integration coming with BLOFIN soon. So you do not want to miss that. Do get ready on your Stonksy link to take advantage of using Stonksy on BLOFIN. Are you planning to create like automation systems for Stonksy Trader? Yeah, that's the idea. So there will be automation on BLOFIN with Stonksy, but you have to be you'll have to be a Stonksy user to do that. So not everyone will be able to do it. It will still just be unique to Stonksy users. That's why I'm saying get on BLOFIN if you've not already with the Stonksy link. Yeah, but yeah, it'll be an automated bot, so it'll open and close trades based on the background color. Yeah, yesterday was brutal. Alts got absolutely destroyed. How's ETH getting on? Let's have a look, sir. It's coming to a good point, like, isn't it? It's coming to a good point. And obviously, come and retested this as well. As you can see, obviously, we had resistance. Then we had the retest there, and then obviously another retest. So this level is obviously important. With it coming down yesterday and obviously bouncing straight off it. But then, as you can see, Stonksy's also identified, we've got resistance here. Obviously, there, then obviously a flip to support. And then, yeah, resistance and resistance. So what you'd want to be seeing is obviously a reclaim of this level to then start attempting to push back up. So, yeah. One thing to watch out for is a reclaim of this level on the 1 hour ETH chart on Stonksy, which is 3762 for a potential push back up. But all dependent on Bitcoin, isn't it? It's all dependent on Bitcoin. Alts are at the mercy today, as you can see. A lot of them are still red and down. So, yeah, at the mercy of Bitcoin. But yeah, thank you everyone who joined today. It was a superb stream. And if you was here from the start, you'll have witnessed the carnage that happened at first when my mic wasn't working. So, yeah, let's hope that never happens again. I had to close the stream down and restart it. But yeah, before you go, please drop a like on the stream. Do click the link in the description to sign up to BLOFIN with the Stonksy link. And do come and join us at Stonksy if you've not signed up already. But we'll leave it there. We've done an hour and a half, usual amount of time, which is good. And yeah, thank you very much for everyone who's joined today. Got just to say, Dave, you're a legend. Thanks for bringing us joy daily. And thank you, mate. Thank you for the nice comments. And thank you coming, being active in the chat. Appreciate it. I appreciate you coming, giving me discussion and giving me stuff to think about, talk about, and obviously tickers. So I appreciate you spending, a little bit of your day listening to me waffle on. So yeah, I appreciate it. And that goes the same for everyone else as well. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to come and join these streams. Superb. But yeah, I'll catch you all tomorrow, same time, 12 o'clock UK time for tomorrow's stream. And we'll have Save with Crypto on tomorrow as well. So yeah, we'll be looking at, obviously Save with Crypto, what he's been looking at, what he's been trading, and obviously his look on the market and Stonksy. So I'll catch you all tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day and keep making them Stonksy profits. And make sure you do go and sign up to BLOFIN in the description. Click the link. See you all then. See you all tomorrow.